In this video, I will share all the important details about SUNSTOP Gold. In the beginning, I will tell you about SPF or sun protection factors, the differences between UVA and UVB rays, then how effective sunscreen is and some important information regarding sunscreen application. After that, I will share about the composition of SUNSTOP Gold, its texture, how to use SUNSTOP Gold, the side effects, who can use it, and at last the price and availability.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreyoshi and welcome to my YouTube channel Carpe Diem Studio. If you are new to this channel, you might even want to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I make a lot of informational and interesting contents that might be very useful to you.
For the full unboxing of this product, watch the video till the end. Before buying a sunscreen, it is important to understand what sun protection factor or SPF means. The sunscreen's SPF measures how well it protects from getting sunburn. There are two kinds of UV rays, UVA and UVB. Each penetrates your skin differently. The SPF rating only refers to the UVB rays. An SPF 15 sunscreen blocks 93% of UVB rays and SPF 30 blocks 97%. After that, the difference in protection is small. SPF 50 blocks 98% and SPF 100 blocks 99% of UVB rays from reaching your skin. Even though the SPF rating focuses on UVB rays, you do need protection from UVA rays as well. UVA is present in much higher levels in sunlight than UVB and is a major cause of skin aging like wrinkles, freckles, sunspots, and in some cases it causes skin cancer. Here is an important information regarding sunscreen application. It is best to apply sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before sun exposure because it needs time to soak to be most effective. So let the UV filters be absorbed by the body and form a protective layer. The ingredients that are used in SUNSTOP Gold are dimethicol or diamethicone cross polymer, cyclopentasiloxane, ethylhexyl triazone, methylene bisbenzotriazole, C12C15 alkyl benzoate, ethylhexyl methoxyanimet, dimethicone vinyl cross polymer, water, glycerin, glycogen, silica, phenoxyethanol, butylated hydroxytoluene, phenoxyethanol. The texture of this sunscreen is non-greasy and there is no added fragrance to this sunscreen. It has a matte finish and is very easy to apply. Before sun exposure, apply this sunscreen evenly on face, neck and exposed areas of skin 20 minutes prior to the sun exposure. You just need to apply a thin coat and a thin coat is sufficient. If you are going for swimming or you have a problem of excessive sweating, then you must reapply it. And if you have to stay under the sun rays for a long duration, then reapply it after every 2 hours. There are no side effects of SUNSTOP Gold. The benefits of this sunscreen are, it can give you a broad spectrum coverage and a matte finish. It is sweat free and water resistant, that is useful for traveling. It has SPF 55 with PA++ that can protect you against UVA rays. You must choose a broad spectrum sunscreen. Broad spectrum sunscreen protects you from both UVA and UVB rays. Choose a sunscreen that is at least SPF 30, broad spectrum and water resistant. Some of the other benefits of this sunscreen are, it can be used for wrinkle treatment. It has SPF 55. It can be used by all skin tones and all skin types. SUNSTOP Gold can be used by both male and female. SUNSTOP Gold is very economical. The maximum retail price is Rs 725, but if you purchase it online, you can get up to 25% or even you can get up to 30% off. If you want to purchase Sunstop Gold, then you can search it on FLIPKART Health Plus, Apollo Pharmacy and TATA 1mg, and it is also available in any of the medical stores nearby.
So I hope that you guys learned something from this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. If you want more videos, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. I will also put down the important links below, and if you want to know something, please comment down below. So I bid you goodbye here and see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy and stay safe.